What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back at the shop right now. I just got dropped off here and I'm in my clothes. I thought I was gonna go walking today, but no. So I gotta get dressed and I'll get back to you guys in a second. In my work clothes. So today I think we're gonna be finishing cut and polishing. Are we cut and polishing today?
This or yours?
Mine's.
Yours?
This too, but
Depends if you get all the sanding done.
alright.
That's the main thing. We try to get all the sanding done and then we can polish.
Alright. I think cut and polishing is gonna be the main focal for today. Come on.
It's not budging. What's the muscle in there? It's not budging. It's not moving.
Little maintenance things, little mechanical issues going on in the shop. The chain fell off the gears and got stuck, so I wasn't able to open it. Oh, there we go. Only got up there.
No, because like every time you he tried to make a grunt, he goes, "Nyeh."
Cool.
Ray's old neighbor.
Oh.
So instead of making like a normal grunt, he went, "Nyeh."
For what? To show you what was wrong with the transmission?
No, like to say if he was like trying to scoot underneath the
Oh, okay.
car, he goes,
So he was making noise.
yeah. It was just hilarious.
Show Andre how to do it again.
No. Do what? Stop recording me!
Gonna put the car underneath the tarp. That way we can get things going on. Okay, I started setting this side down from around 11 all the way to pretty much 5 o'clock. I say the 1500 grit going this whole side is the hardest because that's what pretty much just takes out the whole side. And it gets a little easier with the 2000 grit. I'm so tired right now. I'm sweating. So we're gonna see what else we could do. Probably have to sand the rest of the car as well.
Finally done polishing.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm finally back to work.
20 minutes before my dad gets here. Less than 20 minutes. So I'm trying to sand some other parts of the car. That way we have we can have a head start on the next day. Because I want to get over with. Because I really want to see this nice finish. Because I really want to see this finishing touch to the car.
The other place?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you broke in. You get broke in from the heat.
Yeah.
You know they don't really like fat people on the internet, right?
They're gonna like this one.
Oh, you think so?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Not too bad. Try to fill it in.
Too light. Too light?
Yeah, I have to darken it up.
Put a little Hershey's chocolate powder in it. That'll darken it up a little bit.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow, Edgar. Positive words of encouragement to say to anybody that's watching this stuff?
Don't get fat. Exercise. Don't leave God out of it. Love your children, they will love you back.
Those are the words from a wise man. A very wise man. Look at this line, guys. Alright guys, that is all I can do for today. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm going to go back to the shop. I'm going to finish sanding down the car. That way we can get it head polished and then move on to the next step, which is doing an AC compressor. So hopefully we'll be able to do that today. Let me know in the comments if I could have done anything better with the video, or give me some advice, you know, for some stuff that I'm doing right now, or give me some ideas what to do to the car or to the channel. You never know, I might just listen. But until then, man, that's some good stuff. Until then, I'll see you guys later.